How can we detect if someone is using Quillbot for their writing?
Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we will be discussing how to identify if someone is using Quillbot, a popular paraphrasing tool, for their writing.
What is Quillbot?
First, let's briefly talk about Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI-based paraphrasing tool that helps users improve their writing by rephrasing sentences and paragraphs. It's widely used by students, professionals, and writers to reword their content and avoid plagiarism.
How can we identify Quillbot usage?
To identify if someone is using Quillbot for their writing, let's dive into a few key indicators. 1. Are there unusual syntax patterns? Quillbot might create unusual syntax patterns or awkward phrasings when rewording text. If you notice these inconsistencies in a piece of writing, it could be a sign that the writer used Quillbot. 2. Is the vocabulary inconsistent? Another sign of Quillbot usage is inconsistent vocabulary. If a writer uses simple language throughout their work but suddenly includes complex or sophisticated words that seem out of place, it might indicate Quillbot was used to paraphrase specific sections. 3. Are there unnecessary synonyms? Quillbot often replaces words with synonyms. If you notice unnecessary synonyms or overuse of synonyms in the writing, it could suggest that the text was processed through Quillbot. 4. Do multiple sections have similar structures? Quillbot tends to maintain the original sentence structure when paraphrasing. If you find multiple sections with similar structures but different words, it might be a sign of Quillbot usage.
How can we confirm Quillbot usage?
To confirm if someone is using Quillbot for their writing, you can try these methods. 1. Test the writing with plagiarism detection tools. Plagiarism detection tools can help you identify if a text has been paraphrased or copied from another source. By comparing the text with other online sources, you might be able to determine if Quillbot was used. 2. Compare the writing with known Quillbot outputs. You can compare the writing with known Quillbot outputs to see if there are any similarities. If the text closely resembles a Quillbot paraphrased version, it's likely that the writer used the tool. In summary, detecting if someone is using Quillbot for their writing involves looking for unusual syntax patterns, inconsistent vocabulary, unnecessary synonyms, and similar sentence structures. By using plagiarism detection tools and comparing the text with known Quillbot outputs, you can further confirm if the writer used the tool. While these methods are not foolproof, they can provide strong indications of Quillbot usage in a piece of writing.